My newest listing is located in one of the best areas of Meridian, Idaho, which has been named one of the top cities in the country to live. And let me tell you, this home is gorgeous. Bridgetower West is one of North Meridian's most sought-after communities, and with its cobblestone streets, tree-lined sidewalks, and beautiful green spaces, it's easy to see why. Imagine yourself relaxing by the community's sparkling pool, taking a walk around the pond overlooking the Boise Mountains, shopping in the nearby village shopping area, or taking the kids to one of the many city parks nearby. You can even pick up a game of basketball, join nearby Spurwing Golf Club, or make a Costco run in just minutes. Life would be pretty good here. I know you're going to absolutely love this beautiful single-story home. Welcome to 4537 North Tirso Avenue. There are so many features I love in this home, from the gorgeous wood flooring to the custom trim work with over 2,300 square feet, 4 bedrooms and 2 baths, and a massive primary suite. There is something here for everyone to love. The tour begins here in this inviting entryway. The first thing you'll notice is the beautiful front door with frosted glass, so you get even more light with privacy. With an accent window above the front door, this entry feels spacious and light. Just off the entry is the 4th bedroom. With glass doors and more custom trim work, this makes the perfect office or den. And across from that are the 2 guest bedrooms. They are both good-sized and have huge walk-in closets. And no detail was spared in the guest bathroom, with finishes like quartz countertops, beautiful whitewood cabinets, and a fully tiled bathtub. Just past the den is the mudroom bench. If you already live in Idaho, you'll know how important this space is, and it is really nice when it is separate from the laundry room like it is in this home. So while we're here, let's check out the huge laundry room. There is so much storage space in here, and even a sink. There's a surprise in this laundry room that I'm gonna save for later, but I love how this functional work zone leads to the garage. We've got epoxy flooring, shelving, and wall tool organization that stays with the home. It is currently set up as a 2-car garage with extra storage space, perfect for your workshop or gym, although this wall could come down if you needed it as a 3-car tandem garage. Okay, I know you want me to get to it already, the heart of the home. Filled with light, character, and charm, the open concept kitchen, dining area, and great room are the perfect spaces for large gatherings. I love this space so much, so what should I tell you about first? Let's head over to the dining room. Imagine yourself having your morning tea, surrounded by large windows overlooking the well-landscaped backyard. What a peaceful way to start your day. And in the kitchen, custom cabinetry, quartz countertops, and a gas cooktop are just a few of the features that really make this area stand out. Fully tiled backsplash, 2-toned cabinets, this huge island are just what you've been looking for. And if you want it all, you're also going to want this large walk-in pantry. This pantry has an appliance counter for you to prepare your morning or evening drinks, and you can enjoy your drinks with your family and friends as you gather around this inviting custom tiled fireplace. I absolutely love the character on this tile, and I'll tell you what, you are not going to have any problems fitting your TV in this family room. Built-in cabinetry, shelving, beautiful tall ceilings, and a wall of windows along the back are the finishing touches to a fantastic great room. Oh, and one other surprise in here, the windows along the back of the house all have remote-controlled window coverings. If you're the kind of person that likes to gather outdoors, don't worry, this home has a beautiful place for you, but maybe you're the kind that likes an indoor retreat. In that case, let's check out this beautiful primary bedroom and ensuite. Check out the details in the ceiling with the ambient lighting and wall sconces. This room is not only one of the largest primary suites I've ever seen in a 2,300 square foot home, it is a perfect retreat with the beautiful windows and a space for a sitting area. I If a spa-like, light-filled, relaxing bathroom was on your list, well, you can check that off your box right now. Wood-look tiled floor, a huge soaking tub, and have you ever seen a shower quite like this? The shower continues the charm with the custom bench and tiled flooring. Double vanity, quartz countertops, custom cabinets. It's everything you want in a well-appointed ensuite. And remember that laundry room surprise I mentioned earlier? Well, surprise! The primary closet connects to the laundry for a seamless flow. Well, I think this is pretty cool, but maybe you're the type that likes a surprise in the outdoor living space. With the large double doors leading from the great room to the patio, this home is perfect for indoor-outdoor entertaining. Early fall is the perfect time to be outside here, and trust me, you are going to want to spend as much time outside as you can on this huge covered patio. And another surprise out here, a remote-controlled sunshade for the hotter days of summer. It is so nice out here overlooking this nicely landscaped yard. It's the perfect size, enough to give you some space, but not too overwhelming to maintain. So you know, a single-story home in one of the best North Meridian locations, less than 5 years old, with details usually found in much more expensive homes, outdoor living space, a lovely yard, community pool, oh, and 5 minutes to Costco? Well, you know this is quite a find in our housing market. So if you don't want to miss out on the chance to make this home yours, give me a call, text, or email, and we're happy to schedule a private tour with you. And if you want to see more listing videos, you can check those out right here. And if you don't want to miss another video, just subscribe.